We're thrilled to share a straightforward yet highly profitable trading strategy. Don't underestimate the power of simplicity. This approach can significantly boost your trading success. We'll guide you through each step, plus 3,000 times back and forward testings with results, so make sure to watch the entire video. Begin by opening TradingView.com and selecting the Ethereum against USDT. Initially set the time frame to 1 minute, but remember this strategy can be applied to any time frame and still yield positive results. Next, we'll incorporate 2 free indicators into our strategy. Access the Indicators tab at the top of the page and search for our first indicator, the Twin Range Filter. Now that we've added the Twin Range Filter indicator to your chart, we'll customize the settings to align with our trading strategy. This indicator is crucial for gauging market volatility and providing valuable insights into the market's overall direction. It helps identify potential entry and exit points while offering a comprehensive understanding of market behavior. Before we dive into the second indicator, keep in mind that while the Twin Range Filter is great at giving signals, no indicator is perfect. Sometimes it might give signals that go against the trend, leading to losses. That's why we'll introduce another indicator that complements the Twin Range Filter, helping to avoid those bad signals. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and trick your support really helps us out. Now let's check out the second indicator, the market bias indicator. Like before, add this to your chart from the Indicators tab. Follow my instructions to find the optimal settings for our strategy. The market bias indicator acts like your secret weapon for figuring out the overall market trend, whether it's heading up or down. This information is crucial for making smarter trading decisions. When we team up the market bias with the Twin Range Filter, we get a powerful combination that gives us a clear picture of market movements. Let's break down the steps for making a buy trade using our 2 indicators. First, we need the Twin Range Filter to show us a long signal. This is like a green light telling us it might be a good time to buy. Next, we'll check the market bias indicator to see if it agrees. We want the ribbon of the market bias to be green and the price candle to be above it. If both indicators give us a thumbs up, it's time to open a long trade. To protect our trade, we'll set a stop loss below either the lowest point from a recent swing or below the market bias ribbon. This acts like a safety net under your trade. Finally, we're ready to close the trade and take our profit. We'll use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, meaning we aim to make more money than we're risking. Now, let's go over the rules for making short trades with our 2 indicators. First, we need the Twin Range Filter to give us a short signal. This is like a green light telling us it might be a good time to sell or short the market. Next, we'll check the market bias indicator to see if it's on our side. We want the ribbon of the market bias to be red and the price candle to be below it. If both indicators give us the go-ahead, it's time to open a short trade. To protect our trade, we'll set a stop loss either at the highest point from a recent swing or above the market bias ribbon. Finally, when we're ready to close the trade and take our profit, we'll use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Ensuring we aim to make more money than we're risking. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's see just a part of 3,000 times back and forward testing this strategy, and shortly after I'll share the results with you. Well, the results speak for themselves. This is just a dream came true. But are you excited to keep learning? Check out our recommended video on the screen right now. It's packed with amazing trading strategies that can take your skills to new heights. Don't miss out, click and watch it now.